Hi, class. This is teacher Samantha, and nice to meet you. By the way, let's learn tonight about sound effect challenge. Are you ready? Great. Let's learn the sound that goes with each word. Repeat after me. Okay? Sounds good. Now let's try. I will tell you the sound of each word, and please remember the sound because later on I will ask you what are those words. Now let's start. First word we have welcomed. W, w, welcomed. Can you please repeat? Very good. That's w, w, welcomed. Remember the sound. Now let's move on to the second one. Home. Home. Please repeat. Very good, children. The sound is home. That's great. And now, let's move on to the third one. What is the word? It's again. Uh, uh, again. Now, please repeat after me. Great job. So it's uh, uh, again. Now, please remember the sounds because we'll move on to the following sounds. Okay, here we go. What is the word the teacher is saying? W, 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 w. Very good. That's welcomed. How about this one? Correct. It's home. Last one. Uh, 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 uh. Tell me. Great job, children. That's what we called again. And that's the end of our lesson. So, teacher will now say goodbye. Have a good night, class. See you next time. Goodbye.